Hi guys, let's cook some pasta without cooking cream. Let's get started. Get your clean pot. Here I have my clean pot and I add some water enough to cook my pasta. Now I'm adding more water. This is the quantity. I allow it boil. This is to give that pasta a quick cook. Next, I'll be pouring in my pasta. Guys, do you call this pasta or macaroni? Let's just call it pasta, a generalized name, a more popular name. I have two brands here, like there are two shapes. Two shapes of pasta in the pot. I just stir it so it gets on evenly, and I close the pot to allow it to boil further. This is just like 2.5 minutes. I take it out of the fire and keep it by the side. No, I won't strain off the water because I do not want it to, glue together. But I'll just allow it be in the water for some time while I prepare the next sauce. This is a very simple recipe. If you don't have cooking creams are expensive now, guys. Have you checked the stores? So this is a way to get that creamy pasta. I know you've invested all your money, or right now you're broke, right? But we have to eat good food. Anyways, I have the frying pan and oil. I fry this salted chicken breast. I just prepared this one myself, so the chicken breast is quite huge. As you can see, it's salted, but I have to add a little more spice to give it that beautiful taste and a beautiful aroma. So I fry the chicken breast and allow it, for about 3 minutes, but it's gonna get done. Chicken breast gets done on time. So I add my favorite chicken spices, all spices. It has lots of curry and it has some, and I added some cinnamon to it. Yes, I like cinnamon a lot. Just curry and cinnamon to give it that beautiful taste and smell. A little cinnamon, but more of curry. Yes, so I stir it to cook it and fry it properly. That is what I'm doing now. Guys, I know the cost of living is getting high. Like it is high right now and it's still getting high. Like I was saying, cooking cream is becoming very expensive. I got one small one the other day for 11 reals. Can someone convert it to dollar? But I felt that 11 reals is quite expensive. 11 Saudi reals is quite expensive for that size. Just a tiny mini bottle. So on this day when I was cooking this, I didn't have cooking cream and I just thought, okay, what am I going to do now? Let me just make it using this recipe. Yeah, this recipe comes in handy when you don't have cooking cream or you've practically run out of cooking cream and you can't head to the store immediately. So you can try out this recipe. It tastes so good. Guys, it tastes so good, like you won't even know if you're not told. The chicken breast is almost done, guys. It doesn't have flesh, but I can spot a bone here like this one, and I'm taking it off. Because I did it myself, I actually extracted the chicken breast from the chicken itself. I went for the part that had more flesh, so I can get this. And then I take it out of the oil. This chicken breast smells so good right now. It smells so good in here, guys. I just want to eat it all up, like eat it all up from here. Like I was saying, the cost of cooking cream is way over the top, and cost of food ingredients or food items is really over the top right now. But you still have to cook good food, right? It's better we cook good food and eat healthy at this time. This is not even a time to pray to fall ill. In fact, this is the best time to eat quality meals, so you're healthy and strong. Because a healthy mind is a healthy body, or a healthy body and a healthy mind are just very important. Next, I add some butter to the oil. I allow it melt, like under low heat, it just melts a little bit slower, but the idea is so that it doesn't burn. So just allow it melt under a low heat, and afterwards I add milk. This is a very not so expensive milk I got from the shop. You can see the color is white. That's just why I love this. is white. So I add some milk and I add about quarter cup of flour. Please do not add so much flour. I know I've cooked this before, and the first time I added so much flour. No, don't allow it to get so thick. Just a quarter cup of milk for this would do. And note guys, I'm cooking for a family of 6, although it won't be finished today, but you know when you're cooking for a large family, you have to, and bear in mind the food may finish, but it is better you have enough than have less. Everyone eats and gets satisfied at this point. I stir the milk and the butter with the flour, stir it so you don't have lumps. I use a hand whisk to do this. You don't have lumps. And next I add my black pepper. Black pepper has a natural taste I love so much. It's so sweet. There's just this sweetness about it. And I have some tomato sauce, or you can call it stew. It has a seasoning as well. I just had it by the side, but because I don't want my pasta to look whitish, yeah, I don't want it to just look white. So I'm gonna stir everything together, the black pepper, the stew, or let's call it tomato sauce, but stew because it's well seasoned and spiced, has the onions inside. I just made it and I had it by the side. You know how we always have stew and soup in case of any quick need to make meals? Yes, that is why I have my stew ready on handy. Next, I'm adding some salt, enough to give this a flavorful taste. Everywhere smells so good right now, guys. Please do not allow this flour cook so long. Don't allow it cook so long so you're not having like a very tough, strong pasta. Then I add my carrots. I told you guys on the side I had my vegetables ready. Today I'm using carrots and bell pepper, green bell pepper. That is what I'll be using. This carrot is kind of huge. I just realized how much or how huge it is by just watching this. Now I'm watching this. But everyone ate this and they really enjoyed it. Nobody even complained about the size. But I'm just looking at it. And please do turn it on low heat so the carrot takes its time to boil. Or you can parboil your carrots if you want it fast. Parboil it. Just give it on low heat for some time. Afterwards, add your green bell pepper or any of the bell peppers you're using. If you have the red bell pepper, if you have the yellow bell pepper, you can also add, or even the orange bell pepper. Then add your bell pepper and you have your chicken breast, the chicken breast we earlier prepared. Guys, looking at it, I just realized how huge this chicken breast is. But you know, as a mom, active kids, all day you've been working and then you have to also run around kids. So I just wanted to do something fast on the side. So yeah. Normally you would add the pasta to it, but because I have a lot of people who are going to eat, I just pour it in. If it was just me eating this, I'll add the pasta, the quantity I just want inside the sauce to give it that extra creamy feel. I stir it into the pasta. Guys, this is a lot. This meal is a lot in terms of quantity. If you want it creamier, richer, guys, adding your pasta into the sauce, like you'll be able to calculate how much or how enough the sauce and the pasta. So right now I'm just stirring it to mix it all up together and make sure it gets down. Guys, this recipe is so easy. Guys, you just saw it. So easy. And here, look at the look. Guys, it looks so good and everywhere smells amazing. Now you can dish for everyone, including people who will be going to the park. If you want food to go to the park or the lounges, outdoor play, yeah, this is just perfect. Guys, look at it. It looks so nice. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more. Have a beautiful day ahead.